Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the right F-104 loadout and controls. Choose the variant with missiles and extra fuel. This gives you range and sustained energy. Set control sensitivity conservative so your high-speed inputs stay manageable, and enable HUD aids to track targets. Once done, spawn high or head skyward immediately. You want to reach 10,000 to 15,000 meters to exploit the F-104's climb and acceleration. Make sure your throttle management is smooth to avoid overspeeding early. You now focus on energy fighting and precise engagement. Use the F-104's strength. Dive from altitude, make a high-speed pass, then climb back to regain potential energy. Boom and zoom tactics win here. Once engaged, fire missiles at lead predicted ranges. Reserve the 20 mm for brief, controlled bursts if a missile misses. Transition smoothly between throttle and flaps. Keep angle of attack moderate and avoid turning fights where the jet stalls. Make sure to use afterburner in short, planned bursts to preserve fuel and energy. Finish the sortie by recovering safely. Begin reducing speed well before the airfield and lower gear and flaps stepwise so you don't bounce or shear off gear. Keep a long final approach and maintain roughly 1.2 to 1.4 times stall speed. Small corrections handle sink rate instead of abrupt inputs. If the jet becomes sluggish, experiences engine surges, or flight controls feel odd, abort the landing and climb out. Once climbed, check fuel, engine temperature, and toggles before attempting another approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.